MSc Mathematics B.Ed, Principal of Miri Piri Khalsa Academy since last 2 years continuously. I had been here principal earlier also when the school got affiliated with the CBSE. Here I am introducing for the inspection. Let's move on to the road. Road to Sardulewala, and here in between we have got the school, my school, Miri Piri Khalsa Academy. To the board. This is the entrance gate of my school, Miri Piri Khalsa Academy. Of Miri Piri Khalsa Academy, Kanewala. The school got established in 2010. Let's move into the school. Entrance gate of Miri Piri Khalsa Academy. You are heartily welcome into the school. With the security man, he won't let anyone into the school without prior permission and putting down total whereabouts with correspondence number and address. Let's wash the hands. Please wash your, we move into it. You can see the daily entry of all those who come into our school so that nothing untoward happens. Even my photographer here has put down his entry, Sitaram from Sardulgarh. Warm welcome for the inspection committee. Mrs. Meena Khanna, Principal, Greenfield School, A2, Safdarganj Enclave, New Delhi, and Raibi Kundu, Principal, Vail Vikram Higher Secondary School, Pipalani, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Move into the chairman office. Seated on the chair is our Honorable Chairman, Shri Inderjit Singh Ji. Welcome, sir. Good morning. We are taking the videos required as per the CBSE norms. You are going to have your school up to class 2. Extension is sorted via this inspection. Thank you, sir. Let's move on. Cell where all required material for the exams that we conduct in the course of the session is held here. With volleyball ground, and there is the second gate for the school fleet of vehicles to come in and drop and pick the students to and fro. This is the pathway leading to the playground and the second campus of the school. And this is the pathway for the students from nursery to 10th class into the classes. To class, the nursery class.
I am Jyoti Roda. I am working here since 4 years. I am NTT.
I am Jaspreet Kaur. I am working here since 3 years. I am NTT.
This is the staff room where the teachers retire during recess, have their tiffin, and if they have any CW period, they come and check their notebooks here. This is attached ladies staff toilet. Attached ladies toilet. You can peek into it. infirmary room. I'm taking you into the room where any ailing student can relax a while till he is dropped back home. You can see the beds here, cupboard here with all medical facilities. And there is the attached toilet for the ailing students. Any unwell student, stomach problem or anything like that, we are moving on to the second block with labs, principal office, reception, and here is the children's park. The tiny tots are busy in their activities. Let's move fast to the other building. Park, splendid, and something that the tiny tots enjoy to be here in. Welcome to the second block, senior secondary block with the principal's office. Let's move in. This is COVID period, so we have got another sanitizer here. Before we enter, we must wash our hands with the sanitizer. Sir, you must do so. Welcome. Thank you, thank you. We move into the principal office. This is my office, principal's office. In my office, I have got an LED depicting total view of all classroom cameras, so that I am updated every minute and second with the activities taking place in the classes. Here I sit and don't dictate terms to my teachers, but guide them to do something very productive for the young generations to become good citizens of India and take it to glorification. Thank you. Let's move on to the other parts of this high secondary block. This is the notice board during the COVID period, and here is the oldest member of the school.
I am Pradeep Soni. I am accountant in this institution last 8 years.
Thank you, sir. Let's move to this side. Here is the library, well-equipped library. Better to have the information from the librarian.
Hello, I am Veerpal Kaur and I am working here as a librarian since last 4 years, and I am Emily, and this is our library, and we have all kinds of books here available for the students, and we have all kinds of help books here, and this is our newspaper stand. Students can come and read newspaper here and get updated with the latest news around the world, and we have all the newspaper like Punjabi, Hindi, English. So this is the books we have in our library, and we have all help books from nursery to 12th.
All books are session.
Yes, sir, all books are session and digitalized.
Tends to the needs of the students in sports, various activities, handball, volleyball, badminton, football, cricket, and athletic related equipments. You can see for yourself. Not only new, but we have got very old things also, which prove that we do have it for a long period of time. We have got a very inspiring man there, Major Dhyan Chand, magician of boxing, the only Indian to have won gold medal in Commonwealth athletics. Fire extinguisher even in this gallery for to meet any incident of mishap. There is Guru Rabindranath Tagore, and I'm taking you to the maths lab.
I am Gurupal Singh. I am CGT PG Mathematics, and these are operators of maths in the lab, three-dimensional figures, and operators of constructions. This is a set sphere, protector, divider, compass, set sphere, and sphere. Three-dimensional figures, cone, cylinder, sphere.
Okay, let's move to maths lab.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, sir, to the next lab. Computer lab. Yes.
Hello. Hello, I am Kamalpreet Kaur. I am working as a computer teacher since 2 years. There are 20 PCs are in working condition. These are some rules. Students come here to do practice.
My computer teacher is very able teacher, and all the day round she is busy giving practical tips so that the students become apt in the computers in this digitalized world. Other part, fire extinguisher, and that is the emergency exit adjoining to the chemistry lab. We'll move into the chemistry lab, where it is well equipped for practical knowledge of the subject of science and chemistry from 9th to 12th.
I am Rahul Adhya. I am PGT PG Chemistry. I am working here from last 5 years. I am teaching 9th and 10th. I am ready to plus 1 plus 2. Thank you. This is from register. This is enough for the science improvements.
This can meet the requirement of classes from 9th to 12th. Enough equipment and on regular basis you are conducting the experiments.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Let's move to the other lab, science lab, that is physics lab. Again, we have got the fire extinguishers in the gallery. She is the attendant attending here physics lab. Let's move in to the physics lab.
Hello, I am PGT Science here. My name is Ivani Chandran. I am working here since 2 years and this is our physics lab. And here are all the operators that are required for class 9 to 12. And this is our stock register for physics lab.
Do you have enough of the equipments?
Yes, sir.
You can have practical knowledge, past practical knowledge from which class to which?
9 to 12.
Sure enough?
Yes, sir.
Presently you are conducting practicals.
9 to 10 class.
Good. Ready for class 1, class 2?
Yes, sir.
God bless you. What is that?
Telescope. It is used to see the power of objects very clearly.
Okay. Let's move to the next lab. This is a biology lab. We have a very good teacher here. She'll introduce herself.
Hello, I am Neha. I am working here since 2 years. I am PGT Science. So this is our biology lab where we do all the experiments. So here is our stock register. We kept all the records which of equipment which is used in biology.
Do you feel it's well equipped?
Yes, sir. So this lab is well equipped for 9 to plus 2 class.
Sure enough?
Yes, sir.
Ready for plus 1, plus 2?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. God bless you. So you can have the complete view of the lab. I have got extra classes for plus 1 and plus 2. Here I have got Ravinder Pal Singh, PGT, PG Mathematics, very eager to go for teaching of class plus 1 and plus 2. And here is the second class, making class. Another very talented teacher.
Good morning everyone, I am Vinod Kumar, PGT and PG in English. I am teaching 9th and 10th class right now and ready to teach the future plus 1 and plus 2 class, and this is our back-end room for future classes.
This is our exit number 2. This is exit number 2 that leads into the
Good afternoon. I am Jagdeep Singh, and I am a DP teacher as a DP teacher from last 5 years. And here we have a whole big ground, and here is the Kho-Kho ground, and next there is the badminton ground, and here we have a football ground, and the other side of this school we have the volleyball ground. We have taken every year, and the CBSE cluster. Due to their coronavirus, we have not taken students for this year.
badminton field. This is the boundary wall. I have plenty of plants growing alongside the boundary wall. And this is the rear view of the school building, first school building, which is up to 10th. And this is the assembly area where we conduct the morning assembly. To begin the day, we remember the Almighty God and ask for His blessings for a peaceful, lovely day. For the boys. Let's move into it. Boys toilet from inside. Latrine area, and these are the toilets. Move on to the other toilets. We have got other toilets, separate toilets for the girls. This is the girls' toilet. We have got 4 different toilets for the girls. Class. Due to COVID-19, students are not there in the school, but the teachers are there for this virtual inspection of schools.
This is Veerko. I am MTT teacher. I work here since 2 years.
This is the display board for the little tots to have a creativity in them. Display board displaying the different houses into which we have divided the students of the school. We have Ajit House, Jajar House, Jarawar House and Fateh House. These are the inspirational quotations. Now we move on to the first class. We have got the fire alarm there. In case of any such casualty, we just switch on the buzzer. We have got electric bell that I will be showing you other way around. This is the digitalized electric bell. This is first class and she is the concerned teacher teaching first class. She is the mother teacher of the class. Let's move on to the display board of first class. This is the other door. Our classrooms have 2 doors as per the requirement of the CBSE. Every class has got 2 doors. Again you can see 2 doors of the classroom. She is the class teacher, mother teacher of second class, beautiful decorated class. You can see all walls with charts made by the students only. No teacher is allowed to draw any chart. It's solely done by the students only. And this class is fitted with a projector. Smart classes where small motivational documentaries are also shown to the students. Let's move on to the next. Here is in every class CCTV and I have got the LED in my office to view all activities of all classes. 5. And here is another buzzing room, the activity room. This is your activity room? Yes. How many students at a time come to your class? 21. Oh, very good. Shabash. Let's move on. This is our water point fitted with water cooler and RO is there up. This is the water cooler. We have got neat and clean water supply through RO. Totally clean water supply, though the water of this region is not fit for drinking, but we have got very good ROs fitted and good service every 4 to 6 months. Let's move on to the third class. This is another very good class, third class. We have got the teacher, very talented teacher. Display boards for the students of this class. And again you can see my class has got 2 doors, the entry door and the rear door. Again, there is the CCTV. We have CCTV, factory CCTV in every class. Let's move on to the next class. Class with the class teachers waiting for our arrival there. Again, a very good display board, CCTV, classes with 4 fans. Fans. All classes have 4 fans, CCTV, a good board, a display board. Let's move to the next class. This is the 5th class. With Chandrasekhar Azad and Shahid Bhagat Singh photo to inspire the students and become the future Chandrasekhars and Bhagat Singhs. We enter into the 5th class. This is 5th class. CCTV, 4 fans, 2 doors, display board. Let's move to the first floor. View and the other giving a view of the other side. We are moving to first floor. System of the school which serves the students and teachers alike with clean, hygienic, healthy drinking water and a for complete view of the gallery. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. This is 6th class. Our president Ramnath Kovind. This is 7th class. Fire extinguisher in the gallery. 7th class. Have the view of the class. 8th class. We have got display board and charts all made by the students, CCTV or fans, very clean and airy rooms. We entered from one door and we are leaving from the other door. Welcome sir, welcome sir. Ninth rows. This is ninth class. Again, we have got the CCTV charts for fans, windows, and display board. Dice for the teacher. We leave from the other door. This is the second door of the class. Here is the music room. Let's enter the music room. Sir, please move in.
These are instruments of music.
Casio, harmonium,
Casio,
drums, tablas,
and two
speaker
tablas,
phones.
drums and speakers.
Well-equipped music room of the school. Let's move on to the next class. Here we have the intercoms for any emergency calls or any call from the parents linked, and the student can talk to the parents right here. No need to rush to the office. We enter into ninth class. Let's move in. Ninth class. CCTV, camera, all fans, display board, a talented and very preservative teacher. Yourself, Jasprit, you are PGT?
Easy Punjabi.
Oh, good. You are here for how long?
2 years.
Good. Ready to teach plus one plus two?
Plus 2.
Good. Thank you. Welcome, sir. The 10th class, 10th rows, with a very talented teacher, Charanjit ma'am. She is a very senior teacher of the school. She is here since the school was established in 2010. TGT Hindi. We have got CCTV camera here and display boards. A very spacey classroom. We enter from one door and leave from the second door and move on to the next 10th lotus. Another Charanjit. TGT Maths. Again, you can see for yourself from the video that we have got CCTV camera here, display board. Display board and the map of India put in by the social study teacher for references during the course of her imparting education to the students. We again have two doors to the classroom. We will move from who took revenge from General Dyer for his massacre at Jallianwala Bagh. Here we have the view of the gallery also. This is CCTV camera in the gallery. The fire extinguisher. Under construction on the first floor. Extra toilet under construction at first floor. We have the inner view and you can see for yourself it's under construction. Full view of the gallery of first floor. Toilets, gent stop. I'll open it for you. Thank you, staff members, for being here with me for this virtual inspection of school as for the CBSE requirements. Thank you everyone. Present mates who have made it to the school today, of the school from where school vehicles come in, school vans come in. This is the parking area for the vehicles. The students board the buses here and deboard the buses from this very point only. I am taking a view of the boundary wall again, and this is the second path leading to the school. Deboarding bus here and moving into the classrooms from this way. This is the fourth playground, the volleyball ground, in the front of the school building. View of the boundary wall, the second gate and the boundary wall. Gate number 2, from where the school vehicles come in and bring the students and take the students back. I have given you the complete videography of the structure, the things we have, the labs, computer lab, science lab, all 3 science labs separately, the extra classrooms, the extra faculty that we have. So I am very confident that our school will be upgraded to +1 and +2 level. Thank you very much.